In this video, you will learn the different types of surface elements you can create with the Fill Polylines command. After the palette is initialized, we can simply click the fillings icon to create a filling. After defining the color, we can select one or more closed polylines to create the fillings. When clicking the hatching icon, the palette automatically adapts. After defining the hatching ID, we can select one or more closed polylines to create the hatchings. Following the same workflow, we can also create patterns. This time, after defining the pattern ID, we will also define a background color. Then, we follow the same workflow as before. Last, we switch to the Style area icon and select the ID we want to use. After selecting the closed polylines, the surface elements are automatically created.